said yes. That's
not for commercial. When you're the right person, everything be able to answer. Like I say, friend B, I think you know catch on and see Baba be pizza. So I say.
our friend has more catch on the salmon.
So only be some dear. Or no pants here for me.
Go straight to the point. I don't for cancer much. I'm a baby salmon.
Like in Pastor Cindy Crown, a friend made the more. Okay, over here to say, oh, Madame for wow. Oh, wow. And now, guy, now, yeah, dream say, a cranny young Indiana. He said, I can't be 5 years old.
Jump and come again.
I'm gonna say, oh, I can't be 5 years. What you say? Yeah, dreams are cranny young Indiana. Over here to say, in your honor.
5 years, quite the same, or you're near Banana the same age.
See me. And you no any deal. Them of Fraba. I'm a mark your testament. It shows say no need dear. Ye need me not cranning any dear. The other guy no need dear.
Why share a 5 years? How many 5 years? And you never.
And now only baby some says you see one year than I'm so maybe dear. Me shed any a identity. Baba baby so.
And I'm a wicked bound. A crying young ban with my ship, but Mamma Bama shall cry. I'm a 5 years.
5-4.
And I'm with him soon, sir.
Oh, you wicked. See them babies also one cabin.
Come on, there's any coins only because me saying I did find beside Aroma. Simon can me discuss a year date. Say, issue ne see and I been a baby because me and Cabana come a cool girl. Me trim to say, Rianfan example, yes, example. Now me know what bay. Now be a masha cry, be doing at it. I'm a fool. Maybe I'm more for from now when you bear my tits in me. No, booming. Yeah, shame my name was our crown and yammy banner my shirt. I'm a can't sample for us.
Example.
Oh, what time I say example, and I say, no, what band me do example. I say,
see, I can't mean example. It's about the beast. I'll say, one car bed.
I mean, never some then can't sample for me. Any pokum, I get to be mammy. Be true, then, no come for so cool, cry with bell, mamma. You go on my middle police station, cry. Police phone back, I say, who will fool, no say different. Start message shard, and hey, I'm a day.
Opoku girl na na say boy na Opoku.
Oba no be man dey so nya me hwe. Oba na me radius. Anka dey be from side. Dai, what do say when din komo for so ti what that fashion dey jai. Na see what's up.
Dai.
So see what me go feel.
Me no go feel why dey. Ah. Me dear, obi any breast some about 2 anymore. We be a many coffee. Young lady.
Oh, no, be any breast some there's any was him. You be na, no be a wanna. Oh, like, you be awesome. And when it means say mood, sir.
Scanty, the many were waiting. The medical culture say, right, do you know? Baby, I'm dreaming, mamma, oh, and your mom will you to relax, mammy. Oh, be madame for us, and I am a young tea. Oh, I'm asking my bus. I
don't know some there, and yeah, very simple. Bearman and also pay baby the girl if I no cook like because hey, Mamma Trimodium. Huh? What's me at the name saying I should bear mamma, wash your warm, wash our crown my 5 years, then any back. One of finding out by how many days in.
Oh, I'm sure.
No boy, cry out there. Or yeah, there. Because I must say, man, seriously. As I'm coming on me, declare say, me feel boy any pains in Tiama, and shall me and you can be introduced to a friend. I'm say, we name. And I meet me as again, if you do one boy in the behalf. Yeah, man, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso and Maya. Me, person me come anymore.
I don't know, too much. Too much. Oh, taking me on. And to come into me, she had the taking me. What the kind of too many? My catch us a relax, mammy. My young coffee, and near solve baby. About me, the entire chinchina school must say now, person many wishes. Are they?
Eddie would now, a cassette, Mimi Busimwasi. Mimi Titi. Now we shall go see the film. Ama. Menye madwin said you can meet you. It is either now or no more. Miss if I cry mommy, who is school one, I you then out now no more. A who be so be fresh Scanty. No can't say a crown, me back. When you're willing say they make a no bad idea, then you better shut up. Kwanu tum.
Mama na also come on to cause we shall more hey. And also dear no.
That means me pay me back.
I'm a catch us a main farm out. Mr. Relax, mammy, it's open background or him for.
Rita, I to play boo and yet the kitu. I to play boo and yet the kitua. Many ready some more than me banana quack be. Send be a babu, no bit me soon you school and I'll be going tea. Take your actions in him, and this how you see the bad side of me.
A crying daddy say you coffee. Say you coffee, say the BM. Oh, say black who hammy on.
Maybe how?
Who hammy.
Now you say me damn it me now. Who won't me damn it me now? Opa, I mean, so I mean, chonko. Scanty on them school here, na friend bra. Na maninya wese akran say black ba. Akran say black ba, on yes Scanty ba. You can chew a pan full of pepper me for home.
Me
no
so what e oba me ana.
Peter. When you go send the look home school one, then for what?
Sir. You didn't make a stop. That was something we can tell. Why not the mimi and a Uyabiana? They
as a minim says Skuma say no, magic title is a my boy. Say me call more office or come could be say mentias and as some of the many more years that will be. Me just winning say me a cocoa bean.
Me catch you. We swing us out. You come on, Ben and Nambu.
Then
try so play smart too. One smart too. And come out with the new school come.
Nay,
at Tiatia, make buzz or cosson. Who went to my Cassandra and say,
I will see of all the punishment. I may say when I want to so.
Sir, and I may catch you. And my means for Nitty be along with school. I tell some I catch on. What's your son? I catch on?
No, don't buy send me.
Why didn't I buy?
Oh, be untempted me. Because what tempted me, I mean, some of the bemount. Simple.
Boot for boot.
Yes, simple as ABC.
Mate. Why should we look one to them? Right. So why should you be looking them? What? I am guy, and I saw the opposite trousers. So the one more damn boy. That come my yama style be ma. And him say Queen Square. What? You know, friend.
Fine.
Seer. It's we are about our.
I'm scared. Oh, why Ibu? Ibu!
You sure answer no? That Jimmy, I'm a catcher. You meant to be 2 in the meant to be
the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm a broso with Maya. Me, person me come any monster, Jamaya.
Mommy, sound for back. What's the problem?
Sir, really, I'm sorry. You are me, and the better so Cassandra, many and John Cra. And I'm seeing my member, or not member Porcho, Miss Low. Salon, Timmy, dear, Subaya, see about me, and so crammy Jimmy's house. Say, Miss Low, fetch me, why? No, then, of course, no Cassandra.
My G, catch a Brita say, see, Umuadia, then you say black memeso. Who are cry me trying to impart knowledge. You know, with me be one, and then you speak rubbish to me. But this is me in Koiko. Me in Koiko, Anna. Catch us one key.
Say,
Nami, a single man, Menka,
I had the potty bay, Mammy Wadi Crow. Nami, and Cassan, Mabusana, one kind of crunch me.
Won't me
Busan, dear.
Won't me cut. Now, a Benny drew, will be able to say,
listen, unfortunately, you know, sometimes it's a member to member, man to man.
Yeah.
So if something if you talk me, I go listen and reply you for her.
My G.
Don't worry.
My G, listen. I am very happy having this tete-a-tete with you.
Yes.
I'm very glad. But me and KB behind you. So me and also more dear. I mean, say black, maybe
ubufu.
Me bufu ye. And then me say I'm a better or whatever she is. Me say obey we need a good name of a quad. What is school one mama fu bi pa. I'm a fu bu me. Me ma am a better MSC you bua.
Omuri ombu pa.
It can say me see. grown on immediately. I can play it faster than her. Trainer Obono, trainer Mabrita Obono, Obesanasa in no time. Let me continue making my quality. Advice now with them on. Kokacheno. What in the church from Amabrita?
Me na what in one year chile.
It's Kokacheno.
My G and the general when you know.
My G, I didn't hear you. You knew any Brita. Intimacy Frank and Kokoma Brita. Who says, Mammy Sam Frank? Me be so what dear, then why me near 19? Amakasa, maybe 2 Susan. Who then a wire, Mammy, thank you so. Kokachasela, Kokache Brita. Stupid boy.
I don't know if I'm so cool. You be so some DNA, you know. Say no man the bofu, na should I critiam on the bofu. Now I am in school now, maybe my come anymore. By a kind of body name to qua. You bet my train you maybe a bit trebida. Can we allow show you be in school? Say we in the car, my jota in answer no truth. Let me mafia too. Who better me? Abominsa. Me be so I just explaining the things. Just explain the things and talk to me. My dear, this is what your sister was doing, and I will explain me to her. Utia Iddi matem. Car tie.
Hey, come here. Stand. What do you think you're doing?
I was just bypassing him.
What are you doing? Tell me.
I'm checking my room.
What are you going to take from that place?
I'm just checking the environment.
Checking the environment. What for?
Like, I want to feel the sea breeze.
Sea breeze?
Hey,
here?
The natural breeze. Hey, the environment breeze.
Are you sure you're not going to steal?
No, I'm not a stealer.
Hey!
So I'm not a stealer.
Tell me, when did you leave the campus?
So I wasn't feeling well, so my father told me to rest.
Your father asked you to rest?
Yeah.
Your father sent you home?
Yeah.
Without any notice?
No, he gave me a note. I should rest.
Your father gave you a note?
Yes.
That you should rest?
School nurse, order from the nurse.
Has he gotten to that?
Oh, he's a member of the school team.
Your father is a member of the school team. My father told me to rest, and my father...
He sent me the note. I should go home, rest.
Your father asked you to go home and rest?
Yeah, for 1 month.
For 1 month? Simply because he owns the school?
No, he's a part.
Who lied to you that your father is, has interest in this school? He's just a mere nurse, school nurse. And after all, he's not a nurse. I don't know whether he's a traditional birth attendant or whoever he is. I can't tell. What?
So he's a part of the school.
Who is part of the school?
My father.
Who is Jimmy Pao? Who is Jimmy?
No, sir.
And you Papa Jimmy even be a woman?
No. It's an inheritance.
I now understand. So school man clinic or you say as a panier so engineer man baby ira.
Or the baby fee. I have a home service.
What do you feel or be home service?
Sometimes, like most of the students come to our home to use it.
And people
yes.
And you use all those things on them?
Yes, since I haven't been here, not they come.
Yeah.
So he's a professional nurse, so he work home and school. So probably have to have the tools and materials at the home.
Salifu.
Yes. He teach me how to take school property to home.
He taught you all that?
Yeah. I know this school format, everything.
Okay.
I don't want to take his part. Like Nanamon too.
You don't want to take his part?
Yeah. Yes.
Not taking a part there, one man I'm required for sale about Machi. Oh. Nti Solifu. No, no, give me dream.
Don't tell him.
You're a good boy.
I know.
I like you.
Hey.
You are the right son of Jacob Salu.
Yes. A.K. your boy Salu.
Your boy Salu.
Yes.
I now understand.
I will come to your place and work for you.
What are you going to do at my place?
I used to clean, so I would like to come to your place since you said you like me.
It's okay. It's okay. Because I like you, I don't want you to hustle. I don't want you to stress yourself.
Okay.
You just stick to your father. Be with your father.
Thank you.
And be stealing from me. I like it that way.
You don't steal.
99 days for the thief, 1 day for the master. You continue. Your time will come. That's why I said 99 days for the thief, being Jacob Salu, and 1 day for the master, being Iddi.
Iddi, Ami.
You can add whatever name you want to it, but the end will justify the means. When we get to the river, we shall cross.
I said we don't steal.
You take.
No.
What do you do?
We do what, like we take what is for us.
So
we left. The rest is not for us.
So whatever your father is bringing home is for him.
It's for him, yeah.
It's his bona fide property.
He's in charge.
He's in charge.
Yes.
So I should spend money. Government's money.
It's the government money, not your money.
That's why but who is in charge here? I should spend government's money for him to come and take all those things home.
You are in charge of the head. You are not in charge of the sick bay. So he is in charge of the sick bay. So everything at the sick bay is my father's own.
It's his property.
Yes.
It's his bona fide property.
Yeah.
Including myself.
No, you are not part. Because you don't work at the sick bay.
Hey, what do you mean, pal?
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Right? I should be fast. Now tell me that you from when you pass what to pass me from. What do you now?
Opoku.
Sometimes you behave some way, pal.
But I've responded.
Responded what? I'm calling you have responded, but you have not stand. What is that?
I'm sorry.
That was just by the way. Okay. Why are you like that? I don't know.
That's why I didn't want to stop. Why am I like what?
I don't know. So much is our precious. Obi a mini what didn't come out for being. When you try to say me no there. Ever say you come and I could be one say me no there. We share the same ideas. Me do obi concerning nipa na bo ni no asa kan you and your man you come you din na asa cheche mache nipa.
Me. What are you talking about?
Asanto asem na make.
I didn't do anything.
Well, I don't know which one to. I didn't mean bibi I don't know who say chanto. Get wabam ho. Wabam ho no. Mina na utantia. Ono na bi kan nyima kika kwasa sama kyerem say ai. O say ni na wa cheche mache no ti no. But we na me hu na man kasa no hu na me twam. Oh, precious sometimes we be bo ho no ma ya na nye. Enkoma ya di nyina na me so me ko cheche mache manfo a. Tika oni be do school ma. Sometimes we say we think alike, we do everything alike. Our blood is the same. But you don't act as if the blood is the same.
You didn't tell me that I couldn't tell her. That's why I told you.
What's the same yoka? Timidi konkona na makate say nipa na edi no konkona na kaka nche na ta no.
You know that is what I told you some time ago, that if you don't want me to tell anybody, you have to tell me that Precious just don't tell anybody. There are some things that I've told you that you decide to tell others, right? So if you don't want me to tell anybody, just say that asemna me babeka cho men can't show bia. So one kasa I will tell.
I say konkon say you say PhD crown or degree crown mo. I say we baby.
Really?
Konkon say djuma no yentie nkoka ho. Yentie se konkon say mi sha no yonko konkon say ni a. Omudi nkomo wi e ka o mi enitrim. Omo nko spread it. Konkon say djuma no baby afa na all of 200.
Ba o ka che me say na wo ya nya go no. Me ka che obi. Dabi, I kept it to myself,
Right?
You kept it to yourself, then you cannot go to some of the but Obi wants them, don't go and tell the person. Don't
What's the difference?
And Obi wants
them, no. I might want to tell the person, I might get the itch to tell. To one can't me say man can.
Now can say what you try to get pictures and send the papa music can.
Say one can say me who wants them.
You didn't know what me.
So I don't care, I'm catch us a man can.
Then they say this all catch up with men can't. Timmy, I have the idea, I have the coupe and the dupe. So I won't go and tell. Don't do that. Huh? And I secondly, and so one to change any choice and Miss Manager. But also now we are long term. Precious. School more I need to say Miss Statiper winning. Precious. Obia say, Precious, they say more Opoku na boy na bread. Obia, Capata don't quiet in time. Why? Why me? Why?
People on any question, bros.
Why me?
Opoku, I have told you several times that I am not interested. This should be the last time I'm telling you this. I am not interested in you. There is no way I can be interested in you, Opoku. Just end this.
For what purpose?
Just understand.
Am I not a human being?
You are.
So why are you
I'm not interested.
You are being racism.
Racism?
Yes.
No.
So why me? Why? You don't like black people?
I do.
So why are you doing this?
But not you. Opoku, I'm sorry. But I don't like you.
Why can't we mingle? You just tell me. Why?
I just don't like you. I don't get that spark when I see you. Me who I was say like I feel something, but I don't feel anything, Opoku. And I can't lie to you. Do you want me to lie to you and stay with you? Do you want me to lie to you?
Yes.
I'm not a liar. I can't do that.
If you lie to me,
you see, you are telling me your intentions.
I'm
not interested. I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
Then me too. If you are not interested, we can't be friends too.
Alright, that's fine. If that is the deal, then okay.
You want us to be enemies?
Yes.
That's come on, you can there. Open say enemies. Open say enemies.
No. But I don't want us to be friends.
You don't want us to be friends?
No, enemies. We should just be mates.
Okay, fine case.
We should just be mates.
It's okay. We don't have to be friends, right? We shall see.
Okay,
you know me in this school. We shall see.
What shall I see?
Okay? We shall see. Precious. We shall see.
Until Papa no share size me.
Okay? We shall see.
What share size me?
Say, Papa, the pictures no how.
What share size be? Man, send the amount.
Share. Now minimum follow. The pictures no how.
The social size, I mean, from
what's the phone?
Wow, we size there 42, up for 39.
We are not free.
We are.
The value is not the same.
It is. But we'll come back.
What was married? You know what no was so much to about me.
Na said no dey nkwata se mo ma se say oyemeba. Ana me ba so nyimi se ne wasi agimi no. O mai. Na me saw.
No je no
Ntati akwa na mba mana hwe.
Mana me.
Kwasia. Ibi samso na me. Meba. Jacob Salifu. Dia na how.
Are ma bodam.
So se no bi a obodam. Meba school mo ha no right be na wo say utimi ma oba ekofi abrawan hu housemaster anye eziat.
Na do kofi me nyim zo kofi.
Anya ona akola nete.
Ana men nete no oba fia me na mfa no bai.
Dawo de wudi ni ansa sa akola na ba school na so otena school so ade.
Na headmaster su ni ansa sa akola ni school ba hwe school no sa akola wo na sa akola ni ho.
O sa be nyam kaseti am.
Baby wa. Baby make a housemaster. Ende mi de me chira. Some me
wo na wo se say wudi ni ansa mponi no. Oba etimi free school mu ebe fi won fa ho se ne de na ekosu school nti akola no pene daache
ina za ko mbe wonyare
de o fa akola ne daache
na me pene daache kam na ba school mu a
nti ne daache no ho
de bi ne nti akola no be fi na ye dai Me no. Yes, also a befu, a best school, my best school, Honolulu, Shadian. You jam more, Sam, or one basa, manchera, Nakani. And a school of Papa Ben on one school. So is it going your money, Papa? Me buy, instead of crazy Ben wants to school, one your baby.
Like father, like son. There be wire pa. Inter no bano, no boss school no chrono, and my disha man for fee,
Mini school chrono. Everyone, hey,
we know home service.
Now your home service, you will sell
materials now, the home service.
Demo, what materials are the materials in Tono pharmacies?
You're on pharmacy.
You're to be here.
And in Colana, most school on my at the normal circumstance, Colana home and the donor cacao, I saw man the first aid. Name Colana say a jeans somewhere, you said the hospital. What no fee? Man trial, the man also know what's a sunny man buying up parts and said the Shan Colana, and all the goofy on and some who know with him.
Me must say school near Media Kugu fee. Cynthia, one is a master school near Media Kugu fee. One is a master school near Media Kugu fee.
I'm going to send back chrono and
Mimi chrono.
What your papa? What we are crying for? 2, 1 more, 3 we are concerning Osaka Yumu. Dear Pan and Panyawo. Headmaster, your life now or brother Ebono, or Bakus is saying. Headmaster, and you know me, Cassitio. No Cassitia, maybe Pewasam Pa, would you matter my show? Headmaster, Cassia Beku. What would matter my show? Missy Cassia Beku, what Bocronoma macho, men person may here, she will master. What send me more dancing you? What dancing you know? Oh, Bano cry me dancing. Wow, bonnet dam. Mamma, I am dancing. There be some bands who are chimney me far day free. And so I chose all then at the neighbor fee. Now, me, I chose your home service. Home service, maybe a true school near home. Say is school dear. What can pay fee? Was a total crown? Who book or no, all the swan man in coffee. Hey, ready and coupon. Hey, me baby, wait, Jimmy. Ibe yambe chia me beika so send na no ba ni bi na ode awo ba no me ba na be gina onim ka cho se me so ane ne mama ne de ba mama query ube explaining ube explaining e na so so no ka hu say me nya validation mo akatua ma ma say na ka me ni ke su mo ka be yam because e nyema bi ni o mi fi school di egu so school di go home. So you may be no face school di mama auditors aba hospital clinical on ba audit. Na some ban so machine ni pa ha. Dey be on ba auditing. Na some ban you bia no he e be you sesini. Headmaster, asa wo ya keka ko ba bi e hodo. Na say wo ya keka ko ba bi e hodo. Ade ayire o school ma clinical bia no. E be you sesini. Na emi wi asa waka so ba jeje mi am so matete. So what do you mean? Ya so nkwa na wajimi obi a walance so otimi jimi o but ya na de no tutu bibi ntra so ya penyi atesa wunum nyansa wakayo ma kan hwade a wakoyo twitwa to utire ho we ye de bobra ma na yi we ye de hwa akwala nti obra be na opese nkola no mo hwew no mo debo wonu abo ho akwakwa na obo yinyina yeku aye yi tun ya pepa me de empire wakayo mo penti wani ma aden unye bi nka bi twa papa painting no na de bokoro no unye bi nka bi twa pa so school ni ma na oton a bokoro no na da kwato paint na de paint na say na say ampanya pa bokoro no
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we me ya me pesa me.
Are you preparing to host exams?
Yes.
Yes sir. Why are you quiet?
I said yes, sir.
I didn't. Well, the leader will come. You have fairly 2 weeks to go, isn't it?
That's it.
Definitely you will face it. So it's either you set up right or you fail. Hey!
Please, the front today can change for me and let me go the back.
I should change what?
The front and let me go the back.
But who told you to be sitting here to write the exams? It's not your desk. Wait for the time.
So I say I should sit here.
Considering his index number, is he supposed to sit in front of you?
I didn't see that.
then they are going to sit in accordance with the names. That is from alphabetical order, from A to Z.
So what's your problem? What's wrong if even you should sit here to write your exams?
Yeah, I feel that board too much. I don't like it.
You see, what should we learn? You haven't learned anything. Huh?
So what is your problem if you learn? What is your problem?
Hey, hey, sir, what do you do?
What is wrong with you?
Actually, sir, you have to ask him.
This guy, I strongly feel like he's having psychological.
Psychology?
No, there's something wrong with this guy.
Something wrong.
Keep quiet. You have to add your mouth.
Have I asked for your opinion? Shut up. Precious, hope you are prepared. I know you are prepared. And my day. Act. What? Act. Active. In 2 weeks' time. Active. Okay?
Tell her.
Do you know what different person you? Do you know what different?
You. Aroma. So far, how far are you in preparation?
I'm on it.
Which means you are not sure.
I get him out.
Keep quiet. You are not sure.
Sound sure.
You see, Aroma, you used to be a very nice boy. A brilliant student. But I wonder what came over you along the line. You dropped. You see what men can do.
I'm changing now.
Strength of a woman. Well, let's hope so. How are you covering your face?
I don't want to cause some embarrassment.
Yeah.
And then very good. The needs to be there, and then very good.
What? And no, but you have no about the Uber. Yeah, what about the Uber? That's on floor. One of 467. What's one of the flyer now? What's one of the Can you have all what you took to out? Can you do you rather than to run?
We now be a someone coming.
Keep quiet.
Oh, why are you covering your face?
I can't do some vegetable.
Sir, but he's come on and so on. And it's all the
This cow and all the cultural exams. This cow and all the cultural exams. So you can't even express yourself.
Just come on. Sir, please one minute.
You are jumbo.
I want
Sir, please, when are we writing the first paper?
So you even don't know when you're writing the first paper.
That is the next 2 weeks.
Meanwhile, you see, you told me you are prepared, fully prepared for the exams, isn't it?
Say, Opoku is not prepared.
I'm prepared, but I don't prepare for the day. I'm prepared for it.
You are not writing the exams.
I
say this time.
With you, I know you are okay. Yeah, you're okay, so I don't have much on. Good. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, Guntu?
Yes, sir.
Guntu?
Sir, all right.
Well, what is he doing there? Let me see. What are you writing?
I'm not writing it.
What you say is school's property. Do you know that?
Sir.
Come.
So she's sorry.
Kneel down. Do that before I slap you, foolish boy. Writing your name on the desk. How much have you paid for the desk? Keep quiet. Hey man, my G, dress properly. Dress properly.